Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here you see it on Windows 10. I saw it a couple of weeks ago, or about a week ago, on Windows 11 22H2. This little Microsoft Bing thing that pops up at startup, and that says switch your default search engine to Microsoft Bing and Chrome. So, and of course Bing rewards and so on. So this is once more one of those creepy little ads that Microsoft's pushing everywhere in its operating system, which I find it a little sad. You know, there's a difference between having an ad and having suggestions, say in the Microsoft Store, which is a place where you might, get some other app if it sounds interesting. Here it's an operating system, and this is the kind of thing that I don't like. Microsoft should really stop doing something like this. Yet again, when you use Edge, in defense of Microsoft, when you use Edge and you go to Google, there's often a pop-up that says, "Hey, how about trying Google Chrome?" Yeah, I get it. It's a little war of who's going to get the traffic and who's who, but still, I don't want to have these ads in Windows. So this is on Windows 10 after today's preview update release that we're going to talk in the next video. But it appeared also on Windows 11, and hopefully it won't appear again. Hopefully this is something that is a one-time thing, and it's not going to ask me every 2 or 3 weeks to switch or not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.